Hello, my crystals. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, from today, I'm starting a new series which is based on physiotherapy instruments which are used in various aspects of physiotherapy treatment, right? In this series, we will learn about overview of electrotherapy, strengthening, mobilization, heat and cold therapy, mobility aids, etc. So my first video on this series is based on walking aids. Before we start the video, if you like my content, then like, subscribe and share to your friends so they can also get knowledge about it. So let's get started. So, what is the walking aids? Walking aids are also known as the mobility aids. They are prescribed by the physiotherapist after they assess the gait, balance, and cognition of the patient with musculoskeletal or the neurological problem, right? Various types of walking aids are available depending on the condition of the patients. Types of walking aids are crutches, canes, wheelchair, walkers, braces and splints, which are also known as the orthosis and the prosthesis. So, first is crutch. So, what is crutch? So, crutches are usually prescribed to the patient who cannot use their legs to support their weight, right? Various types of crutches are available, like axillary crutch, elbow crutch, and the gutter crutch. Depending on the condition, crutches are prescribed. Next are canes. You can see in this picture there is a axillary crutch, elbow crutch, and a gutter crutch. Next is cans. So different types of cans are available, like standard cans, standard adjustable cans, standard adjustable offset cans, tripod, and a quadrupod, right? Standard cans, standard adjustable offset can. So what is the characteristic of the standard adjustable offset cans? So in the standard cans are not adjustable according to our height. So this is the characteristic feature of the adjustable can. So we can adjust the length of the can according to our height. You can see in this picture there is a adjustable aluminum can, offset adjustable aluminum can, and the quad can, right? There is a tripod and the quadrupod. Uniqueness of the tripod and quadrupod is they increase the base of support of the can, so they increase our balance. Next is walkers. Different types of walkers are available in market, like rigid, foldable, gutter, rollator, and the reciprocal. You can see in this picture there is a rigid walker, foldable walker, so we can carry outside the foldable walker, gutter walker, which provide the support to our forearm, rollator, and the reciprocal. So I will tell you there is a characteristic feature of reciprocal walker is when the patient is walking, the frame is working with the patient. So like the other cans, patient having to lift the walker forward at the each step or the roll with the wheels. When used this reciprocal walker correctly, we will step with the patient. Okay, next is wheelchair. There is a different type of wheelchairs like rigid, foldable, overarm driven, and the powered. So depending on your financial condition, you can buy a various type of wheelchairs. You can see in this picture there is a various type of wheelchairs are available in the market. There is a powered wheelchair, as I said you're depending on your financial condition, you can buy this type of wheelchairs, right? In the power wheelchair there are computed commands, so you can easily handle this. Next is braces and the splints. So, the braces and splints are really helpful to immobilize a body part. They're designed to provide the maximum amount of comfort and the flexibility. And the splints are made up of the plastic molding, right? In some conditions where the continuous support is required, so in this type of condition, soft padded night splints are also available. So you can see in this picture there is a different type of braces and the splints are available. Next is prosthesis. So what is the prosthesis and for what it is used? So the prosthesis are the artificial substitute for a missing part of the body. I will give you some examples so you can easily understand what is the prosthesis. So, for example, if the amputation is done in some part of the body, such as in the leg or the arm, so that part is replaced by some artificial part which do the same work as the previously our body part is used to do. Right? You can see in this picture there is a leg prosthesis, and in this picture there is a hand prosthesis which is do the same work as the previously our hand is used to do. You can do many works as you can do with your hand previously. So thank you to watching my video. So there is our first part of physiotherapy instrument is completed. I hope it is very useful and worthful for you. So if you really like my content, then please keep sharing and supporting, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.